Hi guys, I'm showing you how to explode, literally explode a water bottle. Here's the first one. And you see how there's like a hole here? Yeah. Alright, let's set you up there. Don't know if you guys can see, but here we go. Done, nice and easy. Oh my good one. What, I'm thirsty. But here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. God, that was a good throw. You get your water bottle, and then you need to get a brick wall. Swap hands. Okay, and then you take your water bottle and you rub it against the brick wall until it makes a small hole. There it is. Okay, perfect. Alright, from the hole. And then after that, take your water bottle and then you... Oh, I messed up. I probably look like a freaking retard right now, smashing water bottles against my freaking thing. Here we go. Hey, you guys down for shipping? Oh my god. There it is. Yeah, right there. There we go. Break my hand! I think it needs a little less water because I have too much water in there. Oh! Look at that one!